Hi everyone. Today we're doing 44 divided by 8 and Louie's here to share a really great idea.
Yeah.
Okay, Louie, how do you want to do this?
I'm gonna keep on splitting it 3 times, so like split that in half and then split that in half.
You like dividing,
that.
yeah, you like dividing by 2. So you're going to make 8 equal groups
Mhm.
by dividing by 2 3 times in a row.
Yes.
Okay, so let's just show them what this looks like, okay? So you have 44 and you're going to divide it by 2.
Yes.
So what do you get?
That would be 12. Yeah.
What's 40 divided by 2?
22, yeah.
Yeah, 40 divided by 2 is 20, and then add another 2 because 4 divided by 2, you get 22. Okay, so that's 44 divided by 2, but we gotta do it again, right?
Mhm.
So what's 22 divided by 2?
That would be 11.
Okay, so 11. So there's 4 equal groups here, so 44 divided by 4 would be 11, because there's 11 in each of these 4 equal groups. But we gotta do it once more because we're looking for 8 equal groups, right? Yeah. Okay, so what's 11 divided by 2?
5.5.
5.5. Okay, so how many equal groups do we have now, Louie?
We have 8.
8 equal groups, and there is 5.5 in each group, which means 44 divided by 8 equals
5.5.
That was awesome.
Thanks.
Hi everyone. Anna's got a really great idea for 44 divided by 8, and she's going to share it with us. So how do you want to do this one, Anna?
Well, I want to know how many times can 8 go into 44.
Okay, so that's really what times 8 equals 44. Okay, so where do we start?
Well, I'm going to go 6 times 8.
Okay, so 6 times 8 would equal
44.
44? What's
No,
that
no,
5
sorry.
groups of 8?
No, sorry, I didn't mean 44.
Okay, but let's figure it out. So what's 5 groups of 8?
40.
So 40, and then
48.
plus 1 more 8? Yeah, it would be 48.
But that's too much.
So we probably don't want to use that then, right? So what else do you want to try?
8 times 5.
So 5 times 8 would equal how much?
40.
40. Okay, and then we're only 4 away,
Yeah,
right?
so you need a half.
Okay, because you want to figure out what times 8 would equal 4, right? And you said it's a half, or 0.5. So then we can use these two, and what we'll come up with then is 5.5 times 8 would equal 40 plus 4, which is 44. So 44 divided by 8 would equal
5.5.
5.5. Great job, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.